Hi everyone!
Hello!
Hope you're well. Today we're really excited because we're finally launching the Bandarra Pack. It's all in one pack, everything you need for ground handling. Whether you're just starting out or you already have your license and you're flying, could never do enough ground handling. So we wanted a pack that people could buy to spare their wings and harness and that can move around freely. So it took quite a while, but we're really happy with the partnership with Ozone, and let's show you what's inside this thing.
Let's have a look.
First and foremost, it comes with the right size stuff sack. So this is the Easy Bag Light. You get the other one, I'll get this one. Nice. Inside we have the oxygen one. We've ground handled this for about 2-3 years. It's the best ground handling harness we have at the moment, and we fly with it all the time. We were flying today with it for about an hour. It's very comfortable. It's reversible, turns into a backpack. And inside, you've seen this loads of times.
Yeah, this has been on a video for a while. We've got a new one as well. We've got one each now, finally.
So that's the harness. Then it comes with the shield helmet. Obviously, the only difference is it won't come with the comm system that we installed in the last video.
Yeah, if you didn't see our last video, then you can see how this was all put in on that one.
But it won't. It will just be the regular shield. You can pick it in blue or black, but I prefer the blue one. Yeah. And obviously, the pièce de résistance, the most important bit, is
the wing!
A Roadrunner. But there's two very special things about this Roadrunner. It has Bandarra colours, which we're really happy about, and has our little logo on it. So look at this, it's always nice. But yeah, we did go for custom colours, so if you want to go for this setup, you will have to get it from us. And yeah, I think it just makes a really big difference to actually have all four things. You know, Roadrunner, the pack so it doesn't take up too much space and it's always nicely and tidy, the helmet, and the oxygen one.
Oh yeah, we obviously haven't brought it out here, but we're going to be putting a few extra little Bandarra goodies in there as well.
Oh yeah, it comes, I completely forgot, it comes with all of this. All these things, which is why I think it's a really good pack. But also, let me tell you about the new things on the Roadrunner. They're coded now, they didn't used to be color coded. The brakes are way softer and way nice, they're really, really nice.
Oh, they're magnetic now.
And they're neoprene.
Neoprene, okay.
And
neoprene.
the magnet is similar to the BG ones, which is like a snap lock where it's magnetic and it's mechanical lock at the same time. So you have to kind of like pull it down to unlock it, but you can put it in any way.
Oh yes, it goes in really easily, but it comes out as you want it, kind of thing. And
it has untwisties, and also the risers are color coded, which they didn't used to be. So for beginners, it's really, really good. Do you want to try this instead of me?
I want you to try it. I want to see the joy of you trying it for the first time.
Well, it just, oh wow,
works perfectly.
Look at this, Jim. If you were to hook in properly, red goes to red and blue goes to blue.
Perfect.
Was this by chance? I don't think so. Well done, Ozone. You ready?
Yep.
First time. Oh,
nice. What do you think?
I think it's great. Look at the little logo.
It does look cool, that.
So that you always know where the center is. Always stay under the logo.
Yeah.
Can I not go and fly it?
Nope. Do you not remember the very specific warning on the wingtip saying, do not fly this under any circumstances?
So that's it. That is the Bandarra Pack. We hope to see a lot more of these in the wild. If you're interested in getting one, there's links in the description and down there to how to get in touch with us. But yeah, we think these will be really good if you're just starting out, or if you're an experienced pilot and you want a ground handling wing to get more of that practice in and to save your main wing.
They're really super small, they pack down, they can go everywhere where you're going with your main flying stuff, and if it's not flyable, or even if it is flyable, you can get it out.
And this is the whole thing. Harness, wing, bag, helmet, everything's in there. Plus some digital goodies. Anyway, I want to say a big shout out to Ozone for letting us do this and help us put this together.
Yeah, we've been wanting to do it for so long, and
Yeah.
I'm just so glad it's finally materialised. So.
It's a product that the world needs, man.
And of course we have to thank all our lovely supporters on Patreon and YouTube memberships.
All these great people.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
And we'll see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye. Hey Andre, where did you put the Bandarra Pack? Oh, it's here. It's so light, I almost didn't notice it.
Buy it, internet.